Hi everyone, welcome to day 10 of the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Advent. And we are on number 10. Boy, you can hardly see that one. Alright, so let's see this one. See if it's the same color or another one. And there it is. It's a very light color. So we'll check that out. I'll remind you that these are all DK weight. Boy, that's really pretty. It's got a little bit of a purpley color in there. There we go. Yeah, not much, but it's a little bit in there. And I'm laying it with the other colors so we can see how it blends in. It does. It's like having a little bit of white in there. So that's really pretty. Yeah, you can't hardly see any color in that, I tell you. It has just that little bit of smattering in there. So, stay safe. Be kind to one another. Happy yarning. Bye now.